Vinyl window installation in Coppell, Texas is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. Our window installation company specializes in custom vinyl windows, Coppell, offering a wide range of vinyl window styles to suit any home design. With our window installation specialists, you can expect durable vinyl windows that enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Energy-efficient windows in Coppell are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our window efficiency solutions include insulated glass windows and double-hung windows designed to keep your home well insulated. Trust our vinyl window experts in Coppell, Texas, to provide the best window upgrade solutions for your needs. Custom vinyl windows in Coppell, Texas offer a personalized touch to your home. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect vinyl window options for your space. Whether you prefer sliding vinyl windows or traditional double-hung windows, our vinyl window contractors in Coppell, Texas have you covered. Coppell window replacement services are ideal for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and curb appeal. Our window glass replacement and window frame installation services ensure a seamless fit and finish. With affordable vinyl windows, Coppell, you can achieve a high-end look without breaking the bank. Vinyl window replacement in Coppell is crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our vinyl window maintenance services include window sealing services and window weatherproofing to protect against the elements. Keep your windows in top condition with our residential window services in Coppell, TX. Sliding vinyl windows in Coppell, Texas are a popular choice for modern homes. These windows offer easy operation and a sleek design, making them a favorite among homeowners. Our vinyl window installation specialists in Coppell ensure a perfect fit and finish for your sliding vinyl windows. Coppell window frame installation is a critical component of any window upgrade. Our window installation company provides expert window frame installation services to ensure your windows are secure and efficient. Trust our vinyl window contractors in Coppell, Texas, for all your window installation needs. Vinyl window maintenance in Coppell is essential for preserving the beauty and functionality of your windows. Our window sealing services and window weatherproofing solutions protect your windows from the elements. With our residential window services in Coppell, Texas, you can enjoy long-lasting, energy-efficient windows. Coppell window sealing services are vital for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort in your home. Our window weatherproofing solutions prevent drafts and leaks, ensuring your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Rely on our vinyl window experts in Coppell, Texas for all your window sealing needs. Affordable vinyl windows? Coppell offer a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Our vinyl window options provide excellent value without compromising on quality or style. With our Coppell window installation specialists, you can enjoy beautiful, energy-efficient windows at a price you can afford.